Diljot ma'am, welcome to the Vision News.
Thank you so much. Thank
Please
you.
introduce yourself a bit.
See, I'm an actor, and today, particularly, I mean, people would have seen me in several films and songs in Punjabi cinema, and now my Hindi film, Bollywood film, as a lead actor, it's all ready for release and it will be released by Jio Cinemas. थोड़ी सी डिटेल्स अभी कम शेयर करते हैं so that the team would announce it properly. By now it's 12-13 years because I started alongside my education when I was doing my schooling from Delhi Public School, Chandigarh. Then did my graduation in psychology honours from Punjab University. Did my masters in human rights again from Punjab University. Taught in the university for both graduation and masters. Did a postgraduate course in NGO management and studied public policy from Harvard University, US. And did international development from University of British Columbia. So long way back then when I was just in school or in graduation. In fact, Patiala Peg song मेरा और दिलजीत का जब release हुआ था, so I had just joined graduation. So many years simply for the fact that I just love cinema, I just love the art of cinema, of acting or anything creative connected to this field.
Any family member of yours is in
No, my family members, none of them are in this creative field. My parents are doctors. Mom is a senior gynecologist and dad is an eye surgeon and ophthalmologist. And it's a family of academicians. Have an elder brother. They're all academicians. So, but definitely a creative taste or interest zarur tha. Like my mom used to sing during her medical college days, and my dad was more into sports. So yeah, I'm the only one doing it professionally.
So being actor now, और इतना कुछ आपने स्टडी किया है एकेडमिक्स में, यू वर गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट चॉइस एज वेल, है ना? पेरेंट्स ने कैसे अलाउड कर दिया इनटू एक्टिंग लाइन? क्योंकि अभी भी बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ये समझते हैं कि एक्टिंग लाइन इज जस्ट अ स्किल. आपको कुछ करने के लिए, मतलब लाइक अर्निंग के लिए, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग प्रोफेशनली. So
they were always very supportive. Mom and dad हमेशा से बहुत supportive थे. आज भी उतने ही supportive हैं जितना शुरू में थे. So everything my dad ever wanted or my mother ever wanted was my happiness. Something कि मैं कोई भी field choose करूँ या कुछ भी करूँ, the main thing is to be happy and to cherish that. So they always knew from school only because I used to be always on the stage doing dances, plays. Either studying, so used to balance it very well. So they always knew that I wanted to be an actor professionally and they were very supportive. They said me, ठीक है, अगर आपको इसी में खुशी मिलती है, just go for it and give your 100%, and that's what I'm doing.
So आपने इसके लिए कुछ सीखी थी, एक्टिंग क्लासेस वगैरह ली थी?
See, firstly, I always feel that you cannot learn acting. It is definitely inborn and you grow practically with each film and each character. But yes, आप technical knowledge ज़रूर ले सकते हो, आप अपनी technicalities को तराश सकते हो. I went to Anupam Kher's Actor Prepares, and Vancouver Film School a little. And more of it is practical, I would say. जैसे मैंने बोला कि technical aspects, camera के angles, lenses, lighting, everything of that sort can be learnt definitely, but how to relate with an actor and how to empathetically play a character is all an actor's job. It comes from within. It comes with their passion, into, and as much hard work any actor would put in to portray any character.
So you said you already worked for 13 years into this industry, right?
Yes.
And you worked into albums and Punjabi
films,
right? And this is the first time you are doing the Bollywood movie.
This is, yes, the first Hindi film.
So how did you get the chance to come into this?
Yes, so I always wanted to do Hindi cinema, for that matter any cinema. For me as an actor, the only thing that is different is the language. In Punjabi films, it's the Punjabi language. In Hindi, the language is Hindi. Similarly, in English, it's English. But for any actor, it doesn't matter if you're doing regional or national or international cinema, because the hard work is the same. You have to portray every character with the same genuineness and honesty and sincerity. So yes, when this film came in, because I was always clear and I always wanted to do the main lead character and the protagonist role. So when this film came up to me, I wouldn't divulge much about the film. That's a surprise for the audiences. But when the script came to me and I heard my character, it was beautiful. It was so good. When the film now releases, everybody will relate to the character. They will love it. So yes,
so
that is.
You give an audition also?
Yeah, in Hindi, usually what they do is they take look tests, which means that are you as an actor an apt choice for that particular character? So yes, all the actors in the film, even all the wonderful actors, senior actors doing great work in Bollywood industry, they also went through a look test just to fit into that particular character. A little surprise I can give you is that this character that I'm portraying is a Rajasthani character. The girl is from an average family. And बाकी थोड़ा रख लेते हैं. This film अभी इसका शूट हो चुका है. It's ready for release and any time after IPL a release date will be announced shortly. So we shot it in Jaipur, Mumbai and Karnataka, Hampi.
Lovely. And what will be the further project we gonna see you?
So this is one, and then one of my web series released on 21st March. It's titled Plaster. It's on Amazon Prime Video in Chopal, and I'm playing a very different character in that. I'm playing a gangster, very well appreciated. So we might go into season 2 for that because the response is amazing. So yes, there are 2 other films in the pipeline for which the shoot will start this year, but let's not talk about them. I'll give chance to my
All
team.
the best for your further.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank